Guys, you won't believe where we found this beast. We discovered this GMC Savana van sitting outside a graveyard. We don't know if the owner is still around or if we'll never ever be able to find them. But the moment we opened the door, it was mess, bones. We don't know even knows who's there. Were a snake, tones, insects, and bugs everywhere. So our job is not restoration. First, we have to save the van and save the snake too. Then we are going to deep clean every inch of it and get rid of all the bugs. After that, we will restore this A-Team style build, black body, red strips, red rims, KC lights, bulb bar. We will bring back to life. And only then we will start looking for any clue about who this van really belongs to. This is not just a build, this is a rescue, a cleanup, and a mystery all in one. Stay with us because this journey is just getting started.
Do you see that? Yeah, it's completely overrun. We need to secure the area before approaching.
Aim for the hood, keep the pressure steady. Got it. Watch the front tire. Ready when you are, boss. Keep the perimeter tight until we confirm the all clear.
Front section is secure. Moving to the rear quarter now.
Keep the water clear of the engine bay for now. All right, focus on the stripes. Check the door seam right here. Got it, all clear on the suspension. Ready for transport.
Power up slowly, you're gaining traction.
Watch the debris on the right. Clear path ahead. Watch out for that corrosion. Yeah, I'm trying to get this connector off now. Make sure you label that one right away.
Look at the corrosion on this seam right here.
Yeah, and this wiring bundle is exposed.
We'll need to address all of this before the rebuild.
hold it right there against the frame. The alignment is exact. It matches the geometry perfectly. All right, lift carefully.
Got the suction cup secure.
Clear on this side.
Hoses look good, very flexible.
All right, let's double check the torque specs before we install the drive belt.
Bring it down slowly, keep an eye on the rear alignment. Looks good back here, brakes are clear in the calipers, and we are settled, solid. Headlights are good, how about the signals?
Left blinker is working.
Brakes check out. Try the interior switches. The panel gaps are perfectly straight, and the red stripe is flawless. This is our best work yet. From an abandoned shell to this stunning A-Team tribute, we are thrilled to finally reveal our fully restored GMC Savana.
The restoration is finished. As you can see, the A-Team Savana is looking incredible, polished, and ready for the road.